In this video, I'm going to give you a list of those topics you should focus and read as you are entering to write physics, WAEC, for this year. Let me give you a rundown of the topics from which WAEC will set their questions in physics. Physics is one of the most important subjects for you as a science subject, whether you want to do you want to do medicine, you want to do engineering, anything you want to do science-based, you can't do without physics. So give me your attention. The number one area is basic physics concept. Remember, each of them has their own calculations. So read them up, go to your physics textbook this night or today. Read them up, do your final revision as you enter the WAEC hall. So read up fundamental quantities, units, and their measurements. This is part of your SS1 work. Read up motion and forces. So under motion and forces, read up motion, forces, and relationship between motion and forces, including the calculations. I hope you are following. Read up energy, work, and power. Energy, work, and power is in your physics textbook. Go read up their calculations, their relationship, how to solve them. Also, just oppose this I'm saying with the past questions, right? Then read up waves. Waves. Study everything about the nature of waves, sound wave, properties of waves, behaviors of waves. Very, very important. I hope you are here. Okay, we keep on. Just keep following. Then study electricity and magnetism. Electricity and magnetism. Electricity. Remember, like I said, I'm just giving you a summary, but each of these has its own calculations. I'm giving you a summary as you revise before you enter your physics hall in your WAEC. Read up this thing. They will come out. These are areas that WAEC brought out in this year's WAEC syllabus. That is electricity and magnetism. So study up everything about electricity, magnetism, and their interactions, including the laws. Study atomic and nuclear physics. Atomic and nuclear physics. So then we learn about structure of atoms, right? You need to learn about the structure of atoms, radioactivity, nuclear reactions, and related phenomena. I hope you understand. Study things like thermometric, liquid, heat, temperature, power, latent heat, liquid in a gas thermometer, and others. Energy quantization, photoelectric effect, and ionic emission, X-ray, structures of nucleus and radioactivity. Study things like nuclear reaction, fission and fusion. Fission, this one came out also in JAMB, right? It will also come out in NECO. So study fission and fusion, study wave-particle paradox and the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. These are the areas, these things I mentioned, as you prepare to enter your physics hall for your WAEC exam. Study up this thing, read up these things, write them down, do your final revisions. Also do the calculations and everything. If you want me to do more videos, if there's any subject you want me to do a video on, tell me in the comment section, and I pray I want you to claim it. Just type I claim it, that this year's WAEC you will be among those that will get distinction in your physics and in your other subjects. Do you claim it? Come under the comment and tell me that you claim it. If there's any other subject you want me to do a video on for you that could help you to get distinction in this WAEC, come under the comment and tell me. But that is if you are already a member of our channel. How do you become a member? You can see join. Click on join now. Click on join our YouTube channel. Then beyond that, right now, like this video, share this video, click on share this video here on YouTube, then copy the link, share it to all your friends on WhatsApp, your classroom group, everybody. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Thank you. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.